Hey guys, it's Milissa Martini with Milissa Martini Designs. Today we're going to be looking at making a knockout design with the offset. You would want to use this offset feature if you are making a heat transfer vinyl shirt. It allows the material from behind the shirt to actually show through your design and also really highlights the shape that you choose to put in the middle of your words. Okay guys, let's just go ahead and jump in. Now yesterday we created a design similar to this. This is just the offset. I will link to the video in the description above. That way you can see how to make this kind of offset with your Silhouette Studio. Today we're going to be making something similar to this. Just pull it over here so you can see the difference. Basically, you're able to see if this is a black t-shirt, you see the color peek through the design of your words and the design that you choose to put in the middle. It was really cool because it almost outlines your design. If you're doing something, in black, you can see that it looks like the and % sign is actually outlined in black. But really, that's just the color of the material peeking through the design. Okay, let me show you guys exactly what to do. So we have our design over here to the left-hand side. I like to keep a copy of this handy in case anything messes up. I just have a clean copy to start with. So let's leave that there. We're going to make 2 copies. We'll do Command C to copy and Command V to paste. And we'll do that 2 times. So now I have 2 different copies of my design. On the first one, you'll always want to crop. So I'm selecting the words and the design. Go over to the right-hand side of your screen and open up the Modify panel. And go ahead and select the crop option. Now you'll see that it takes your design apart in pieces. If you're looking at this, I didn't show you this yesterday, guys, but there's some pieces that you may not want to cut out. Like this right here is just a tiny little piece of vinyl. So while it's all separated, just go ahead and delete that piece because you don't really need it. And we'll pull all of these back together and we're going to hit Command G to group. Now on this second copy, what we don't want to do that we did yesterday is make the and exactly as big where it fits right here between the letters. We want to make it just a little bit larger. So what we're going to do is select the and only. We're going to come over here to the right-hand side and choose our offset panel. Go ahead and click offset. Now the automatic shape or the automatic distance is going to give you is 0.125. Let's go ahead and change that. We'll do 0.09. Just try it out. And you can see the red line where it is. Now we're going to take the original and move it out of the way. We'll click the one we just made and go ahead and give it some color so you guys can see it. And then we're going to select our words and our shape, go back over to the Modify panel and hit Subtract. And once again, you can look through here and see if there's any little bitty pieces that you're not going to want to cut, that you're not going to want to mess with weeding. Like if this right here bothers you, you can kind of just delete those little tiny pieces out. And then once you've done that, we'll group it all back together. Let me zoom out just a little bit. Now on this shape, I'm going to change the color so you're able to see it. And we'll pull this over to our design. Once we pull it over, you can use your arrows to kind of nudge it in place where it's supposed to be. And you can't really tell here. You kind of can see the difference, but you really see the contrast behind like if you were using a black shirt. So let's go ahead and change our color of our letters back over to white. And then we'll use the box tool here and just draw a box around this and send it to the back. Okay, and then you can see how it really pops now by using that offset. So imagine, like I said before, that you have a black t-shirt or a black bag and you're placing these colors on there. By doing the offset, you're able to clearly see your shape that's in the middle of your wording, and it just really pops and defines and makes your brand or whatever design you're doing really stand out. So I hope this answered any questions you guys have. If you do have any additional questions or comments, make sure to leave them in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching, and I will be back soon with another tutorial.